A VA loan is a mortgage option for veterans and military members, often providing significant benefits for home buyers. The Department of Veterans Affairs does not lend money directly. Instead, they guarantee a portion of the loan for private lenders. One of the most famous benefits is the zero down payment requirement, which removes a huge barrier to home ownership. These loans come with built-in protections, including capped closing costs and the absence of private mortgage insurance premiums. While conventional loans are standard, VA loans offer unique leverage for those who have served in the military. The VA funding fee is a one-time cost, but it is typically much lower than the total cash needed for a traditional down payment. Before starting your search, obtain your certificate of eligibility from the VA to confirm your status and benefit level. Always research current lender requirements and local housing markets. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more finance basics.